Give you my heart.
Hi there, YouTubers. I'm coming to you guys with the $3 famous bowl, and I have Coke to drink. I said it's gonna change wigs, but I don't feel like it. So I guess I will let you guys have the first bite. Okay, so this is the chicken and the cheese and the corn and the potato. So everything is in this first bite. This is my favorite thing to get when I go to KFC. Let me tell you. Oh, hold on. They just opened back up the KFC over here. It was closed when I moved over here, and now it's back open. Super excited. But, So how is you guys New Year so far? Mine is okay so far. The year just started, so just give it time to kick in. I can tell you how my New Year is going so far in about 2-3 months. I was kind of hoping that they would have the macaroni one too for $5. But I actually really want to try that one. Because I've never really thought about putting gravy on macaroni. But chicken, macaroni, and cheese with some corn, yes. I remember when I used to order these, I used to always try to get extra corn. Because corn is my favorite. And let me tell you, these are very, very filling. They are. Winter has its cold. And oh my gosh, I'm planning on trying to sleep train her tonight. Wish me luck. I'm gonna need to try to sleep train Imani, but I'm going to leave that to her father. I train one. He trains one. I actually want to stop breastfeeding. Excuse me. But I don't know what to start because With Imani, Imani was in daycare, and that's when I stopped giving her day feedings. I wasn't giving Winter very many day feedings, but Winter has been sick, so she's been feeding more. So her daytime feedings picked back up. And then her nighttime feedings picked up big time. So I'm gonna have to see if I can drop her daytime feedings again. And then I really got when she money off when she went to go stay almost a week with my mom and dad. And when she came back, I just kept denying her. Took all of 2 days. But then the problem I had there was the only way I was getting her to sleep was nursing her. So it's hard for me to comfort her and get her to sleep. Excuse me. So, and her dad started putting her to sleep. But I feel like on sleep training Winter, that shouldn't be a factor. She should be able to self-soothe herself to sleep. And I'm gonna do it now before it gets to the point where she can get out the bed. It reminds me I have to fix her bed tonight. Hey Sadie, go turn off Imani's car. You can't leave it on, the battery will die. She's not going right back in there and turn it right back on unless she's seen you. So I'm trying to figure out what I'm cooking tonight. I know we have ribs and I got spinach, but I don't know what else. I'm going to make a somewhat healthy meal with the spinach. Because excuse me, I'm not gonna even tell a story. I don't think that I could just say the heck with all carbs. So I think I'm gonna just try a low carb diet. Now when I say low carb, I mean I'm just gonna try to cut out some things. Excuse me. Not everything. So I gotta make up my mind. What can I part with? I'm gonna start off stuff little stuff. Not big stuff. So something that's going to be easy for me to stick to. And once I conquer that, then maybe I feel like I can take something else away. So now I'm really thinking about this because corn is one of my favorite carbs and pasta. And with keto, you can't even have sweet potatoes. They would prefer you to have potatoes over sweet potatoes. I think that's what somebody said. I don't know. But sweet potatoes are healthy for you. I'm gonna assume like a good start. Excuse me. Excuse me. Big time. This is, I have 2 desks in my kitchen. This is my sewing desk, and this one just a regular desk. Hey, Monty. Why, you want a bite? Get down. You say hey?
Hey.
Oh, well.
Hey, Bill. Milk.
This is not milk. This is Coke.
Coke?
Here you go. All right, that's the end of that drink because she's got a cold. And I don't want one. She got a cold too.
I like.
Yeah, my light.
You like it.
Yeah.
Burger.
So I'm doing my mukbangs in the kitchen from now on. So that's another thing I'm thinking about. Well, I'm planning on cutting down on is drinks. I'm going to really focus on drinking more water. As long as it's cold water, I can do it. But yeah. I feel like burping. It's not coming up. It's not coming. But I can feel it right here. Somebody told me if I say a certain word that the burp will come up and you feel it. But I don't remember what it was. Mm-hmm. Yeah. That is it for this video. It was really good. Thank you guys for eating with me. Tell me about your day. My face look like it's bored or something. Or do I just look mean? I don't know. My face is weird. I think I need to make up. I think my eyebrows need to be filled in. I don't like doing my eyebrows. Hold on. Excuse me. I don't like doing my eyebrows. I just like to take the pencil and fill them in. That's it. It's been a long time since I just put like on a full face of makeup. It's been a long time. Been a long time. Anyway. Stick around. I'm gonna try to do another video sooner than later. I don't know what I'm gonna do tomorrow. What am I gonna say? I think I'm going to probably try to do another tuna fish mukbang. Tuna fish. With some chips. Like I love eating Dorito chips with it. But I don't have no Ritz crackers, and I love Ritz crackers when I'm having tuna fish. Like I could just eat just that, Ritz crackers and tuna fish. But like I said, like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, and hit the notification bell. Don't forget to share. So